Commitment, the unwavering dedication to a goal or path. It's essential for success in all walks of life. It can empower you to overcome obstacles, stay focused, and hold yourself accountable. With commitment, aspirations and dreams become something you can achieve, driving you to continually improve yourself and propelling you towards your goals. Here's the thing that's stopping you from becoming rich and getting where you want to be isn't down to anyone else. It's down to a lack of commitment, and it's all about you. People will always try to put their ultimate success or failure down to external factors or even down to luck, but if you really dig down to the bottom of it all, you'll realize that the thing getting in your way is yourself. It's because you lack the drive and commitment to succeed. Of course, external factors throw up challenges, but the commitment to getting where you want to be is the thing that makes these hurdles seem tiny. Commitment, put simply, is the thing driving every success. It empowers you to overcome adversity and navigate any obstacles that stand in your way. Without it, it becomes easy to abandon your goals the moment things get harder. Not only that, commitment builds accountability, discipline, and motivation, making your growth continue over time. Today, we'll dig into this and discover why the only thing standing in the way of you becoming wealthy is the person staring back at you from the mirror. Let's start by understanding commitment in more detail. Chapter 1. About commitment. Commitment is something you can use as a guiding principle across various parts of your life and an influence on your actions and decisions. In investing, this means adhering to your chosen strategy despite any market fluctuation that might happen and resisting the urge of impulsive reactions. Learning new skills demands dedication, consistent practice, and resilience. Similarly, in personal relationships, commitment means emotional investment and unwavering support for your friends, family, and partner. Yet, even though this is a pivotal part of so many avenues of life, commitment is an elusive thing for many people. This is down to psychological barriers like fear of failure and the temptations of instant gratification, quick wins that satisfy an urge over long-term growth. These obstacles can stop us from being able to fully commit, leading us to getting stuck in a rut. Instead, we have to focus on building a growth-first mindset and having more discipline to increase our ability for commitment. You have to believe that you can learn and improve and have confidence in that. Then, building discipline will provide the structure and self-control you need to stay committed even when you lack motivation. The bottom line is that this is all a mindset and it's a choice. You can achieve everything you want, but your mindset has to change. Think about it like you would if you were trying to get in better shape. Chapter 2. The fitness analogy. When working on fitness and health, commitment is the absolute cornerstone of everything you do. It's the difference between hitting those targets, personal bests, weight loss goals, and everything in between. Taking steps towards becoming wealthy mirrors investing in your physical well-being. It demands strategy, consistency, discipline, and patience to succeed. Long-term fitness goals are similar to your financial objectives. They require sustained dedication. In the same way, building wealth requires consistent saving and savvy investment. Fitness needs regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and ongoing self-care. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Each workout, nutritious meal, and quality night's sleep contribute to success. Even though it's clear that commitment is the path to success, people often fall into a rut and take their eyes off the ball. Chasing quick results is like trying get-rich-quick schemes. Crash diets and extreme workouts promise rapid changes, but rarely do these things become permanent. Like financial shortcuts leading to setbacks, fitness quick fixes will more often than not get in the way of your long-term success. A lack of routine is something that derails even the most motivated people. Consistent investment demands regular contributions, which is exactly like sticking to a fitness schedule. Skipping workouts or ignoring those healthy habits halts your momentum and progress. Finally, giving up when progress slows or stops is another example of a parallel between fitness and finance. Plateaus are like market fluctuations, a completely natural part of the journey. This is where commitment truly shines, helping you reassess your goals, adapt your strategies, and push through, trusting the process. Just as disciplined investors weather out the storm of downturns, people who want to get fit push through slowdowns, knowing continued efforts will bring them the right results. Now, let's look at some common mistakes people make when they try to build wealth, so you know what to look for. Chapter 3. Common mistakes that hinder wealth building. When it comes to chasing financial success, we often stumble on things that hinder our wealth-building progress. These missteps aren't just about investing, they affect all life decisions and can hold you back from achieving long-term prosperity. One major mistake is diving headfirst into a wealth-building journey without a clear goal or plan. It's like sailing a ship without a destination, aimless and prone to drifting. Having specific financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement or buying a house, gives you direction and fuels motivation. Another common error is giving up too quickly or constantly switching between strategies to chase quick wins. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience and consistency. Constantly changing your game plan disrupts your progress and limits your long-term growth potential. Failing to educate yourself about finance is another easy stumbling block to fall victim to. Successful investors are lifelong learners, constantly staying informed about market trends and investment strategies. Without self-education, you will risk making uninformed, bad decisions and missing out on valuable opportunities that present themselves. Fear can hold you back from taking the risks you need to take in your wealth-building journey. Investing involves risk. It comes with the territory, but letting fear influence your decisions can lead to missed opportunities for growth. Successful investors strike a balance between caution and boldness, making informed decisions based on analysis rather than fear. Finally, failing to learn from the mistakes you make slows progress. Mistakes are part of the journey, but viewing them as learning opportunities is what will allow you to refine your approach and improve your chances of success. Avoiding these common mistakes is crucial for achieving financial prosperity. By setting clear goals, staying committed to your strategies, prioritizing self-education, embracing calculated risks, and learning from setbacks, you'll be able to navigate the path to wealth with confidence. But how can we stay committed to these principles? We'll get into that in just a moment, but before we do, if you're learning from today's video, why not take a moment to hit that like button? It lets us know the content is hitting the mark and it really helps the channel. Now, into those commitment strategies. Chapter 4: Strategies for Staying Committed. Committing to financial goals requires strategies you can actually carry out to keep focus and motivation going. Here's how to make sure you hold on to that dedication. Start by setting realistic and specific financial goals, such as saving for retirement or eliminating debt. Break larger goals into manageable milestones for easier tracking and increased motivation with each accomplishment. Craft and stick to a comprehensive plan. Develop a budget that includes expenses, savings, and investments, and adhere to it strictly. Regularly review and adjust the plan to keep in line with changing circumstances and reinforce your commitment to your financial goals, both the short and long-term ones. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on personal finance trends and economic shifts, adjusting your strategies accordingly. Flexibility in reacting to new information enhances your chances of success. Seek mentorship or join supportive communities for guidance and encouragement. Engage with mentors who have achieved success in relevant areas and take part in communities for mutual support and collaboration with like-minded investors. Celebrate small victories along the journey. Recognize and reward yourself for reaching milestones no matter how small. Doing so will reinforce positive behaviors in your journey and maintain that motivation toward your long-term financial goals. By implementing these strategies, individuals can cultivate the commitment necessary for navigating financial complexities and achieving lasting prosperity. But that's not all. You need to stay resilient too. Chapter 5: The Role of Resilience in Achieving Wealth. Resilience is the #1 tool to keep your commitment to the pursuit of wealth. This is what will help you bounce back from bumps in the road while still staying focused on your goals. Resilience is like a shield against the challenges encountered on the path to wealth building. There will always be stumbles along the way, and while commitment provides the initial drive, resilience makes sure that you will hold steady when you have a hurdle to overcome. Whether that's market downturns, job losses, or personal issues, resilience keeps you able to adapt and thrive despite the odds. Some of the biggest contributors to the world as we know it had to overcome adversity. Take Abraham Lincoln, for example. Even though he faced multiple setbacks, he emerged stronger from it and eventually became one of America's most revered and celebrated presidents. Similarly, entrepreneurs like Oprah Winfrey and J.K. Rowling overcame adversity early in their careers to achieve extraordinary success by bouncing back from things that didn't go their way. Persistence and learning from your failures are essential things, not just in investing, but in all aspects of your life. Resilient people view setbacks as others opportunities to grow and become stronger, adapting their strategies to increase their chances of success. Resilience complements commitment. It can help you navigate challenges and setbacks in your life and in your financial journey. Read up on real stories of people overcoming the odds and take away everything you can learn. Conclusion: it's all about you. Back to the matter at hand. When it comes to chasing wealth and success, one thing is crystal clear. It's all about you. Your commitment is the key to reaching your goals, whether they're financial or personal. We've talked about how commitment plays a huge role in success, and now it's time for a little self-reflection. Take a moment to think about your level of commitment. Are you giving it your all, or do you think there's room for improvement? Maybe it's time to rethink your priorities, set clearer goals, and really commit to the path you've chosen. Remember, success isn't a guarantee, but it's definitely within reach for those who are willing to put in the work. Stay committed and practice resilience. Believe in yourself, trust your instincts, and keep moving forward. With unwavering commitment, you have the power to find richness in life, way beyond just money. Let us know some of your own experiences with commitment in the comments below. How has commitment shaped your journey towards success? Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on more valuable content on personal growth and financial success. Together, let's continue striving towards our goals and unlocking our full potential.